Okay, so I've got the excluder for the queen on. Uh-oh, guess which one? Trying to make this minimally, you know, kind of scooting them over. That way, sliding everything, I don't splash. I'm gonna let him slow down a little bit. That's the excluder, and then I'm going to put this in. I have to improvise because I have to come back in about a week and put the plastic that was supposed to be in here. Then I have to. In the meantime, I've got cardboard that'll at least seal out a little bit of the cold. So this is going to go on top of the cold. Put my camera down for a minute. Let's see if I can. We go. So now what I'm going to do is put this very carefully on top of here. I'm going to walk around here and just kind of adjust it. Yeah, this is going to be really important when I want to go ahead and check the hive. I'm going to have this plastic installed before it gets cold again. There's supposed to be a thick piece of PVC in here, but there's not. So we're gonna improvise until then, until I can find it. Anyway. Alright, and then this right here, so I got a little bee in there. What's he doing? I'll just kind of put him in there. Well, no, he's out now, so he's good. They're mad. I've opened their cave. I'm just adjusting these. I know, guys, I'm sorry. Making sure that's square. Okay, so they're done checking me out. I guess I passed. So what's going to happen is they're going to, let me see if I can get one of these out. This is the flow frame. Right here, they're going to come up and they're going to lay the honey, fill that this is the front part. This is the side where they put the honey in. They're going to cap it off. And so when I come to collect it, what I'll do is just take this little cap off here and this here, put my key in. This is, well, that's where the tube goes out, and then the honey comes down and out of the tube. So put this back in here. They're working already, and I think they like it. They're already up in there, so we're gonna leave that alone. And this goes here. There we go. Now I got it right. Okay. And then we put the top on. It's got to square up, and I know I'm making them mad, but it's got to fit on there. Okay, and then this little one goes sorry, I had a battery warning. So this goes here. They're still upset with me. Like this. I'm just trying to get back in there. Sorry, this is so close up, but I have my gloves on. Right. Now when I go to collect it, let me see if I can get it to spread out a bit. There we go. When I go to collect it, I'll pull this off and we'll just put the tube in there, take that off, crank the key, and then collect the honey. And see, he's already at work in there. Come on out, little fella. There we go. Now once you're squished, just gonna put that back on. Close it off and basically leave them alone. So that is what it looks like installed. I've taken the honey, the sugar water mix out. And now they're happy again. Oh shoot, one thing I did forget, I've got to put that, I got to get that wasp out of there. I don't want him messing with the honey. Get out of there. Oh, my babies. This is going to be put in to the top. Actually, I hate that I'm going to have to take this top back off, but I should not have forgotten. Be mad at me again. There we go. Alright, babies. That'll draw them up towards the top to get the honey. Make sure everything's straight because it's going to rain tomorrow. And I really don't want moisture in this hive. I'll keep that there for y'all. Is any in there? Nope, it's gone. So, square it up. And now, just in case, I'm going to strap this back down. Just in case the wind kicks up a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. Just in case there's a storm, I really don't want this thing to go flying. I would be very upset. I'm not doing it tight because the top got stuck last time and I could barely get it out, and I think I squished some bees. There we go. That's good enough. It doesn't have to be like, as long as it's secure on there, it doesn't have to be like slammed down into the pallet. I just don't want it to move in case there's a storm. Alright, so we got our honey, we got the cage out. We got this all put together and the feeder box out. So I'll be ordering some pollen cakes next. them calm down a little bit because they're kind of mad at me right now. I have peach trees, and I put lilac in, and I will also be putting wisteria in. But now what's happening is with the feeder box out, they're gonna have to come out and search for their pollen. It was empty anyway, so I had to take it out of there. But things are blooming right now, so they should be just fine. Here we go. I'll just kind of leave it focused on the hive.